Hello class 9. In our last class we started the different types of tokens. We started discussion on different types of tokens. So see, different types of tokens are literals, identifiers, assignments, punctuators, separators, operators and keywords. So already we have finished the literals, identifiers and assignments. In today's class we are going to discuss that how to initialize a variable. See, a variable is initialized by assigning a specific value to it. Okay. So it is necessary because when you declare a variable, it may contain garbage value. If you do not declare the variables in the beginning in the program, then because of the no declaration, it may contain garbage values and can create a problem during the execution of our program. Okay. So we may not obtain an appropriate result even though your program logic is correct. So initialization of a variable takes place in the following two ways. First one is called static initialization. See, in this what happens, this process uses a direct assignment of a constant to a defined variable. Direct assignment of a constant to a defined variable. The variable is initialized at the time of its declaration. When you declare the variable, there only we initialize the variable. That is before its actual use in the program logic. Before we use it in the program, we declare the variable. Suppose a variable is declared int n, integer type. So here n equal to 0. The n, before n gets any other value, it is initialized by 0. Second example, char ch equal to null, a blank space. Float d equal to 0.0. So it is initialized by the initial value before its actual use in the program logic is done. So this type of initialization is called the static initialization. Then second one, we have dynamic initialization. When a variable gets initialized at runtime, see when we initialize the variable during the execution, that is during the execution of program logic. So it is termed as dynamic initialization. What is called? It is called dynamic initialization. Under this situation, a variable is assigned with the outcome of any arithmetical operation or function, not like 0 or blank space. Okay. In what happens? A variable is assigned with the outcome of any arithmetical operation or function. Like here example, int s comma a comma b. Three integer variables are declared, s equal to a plus b. How a is initialized? S is not initialized by any 0. The value of a and b will be added, and the sum of a and b will be stored in s, and now s will be initialized by the sum of a and b. The same way, int n equal to 81 double d and d equal to math.sqrt n. You know what will happen? It will find out the square root of n, that is 81. So square root of 81 is 9.0. 9.0. So d value will be 9.0. So these are the two types of initializations used by Java. Okay. In the first one, the variable is initialized at the time of its declaration. In the second one, a variable is initialized during the execution of the program logic. In the first one, we initialize by the initial value, and the second one, it is assigned with the outcome of any arithmetical operation or function. Next token is punctuators. What are the punctuators? Punctuators are the punctuation sign. Punctuators are the punctuation signs used as special characters in Java. Once again, punctuators are the punctuation signs used at special characters in Java. Like question mark is punctuator. It is used in the ternary operator. Dot is a punctuator. Semicolon is a punctuator. Now, what is the use of question mark? Question mark represents the action to be taken when the given condition is true while using the ternary operator. For example, big equal to a greater than b, question mark a semicolon b. So if a value is greater than b, then a will be assigned to big, otherwise b will be assigned to big. So this is the use of the question mark. Okay. Second punctuators is dot. This dot is used to represent the scope of a function, that is a function belonging to an object or a class. Like import java.util.scanner. So this util package belongs to a scanner class. Same way system.out.println. So dot is used here. Okay. So dot is used here. Next is semicolon. It is called statement terminator. Semicolon is statement terminator. Each and every Java statement in body of the Java statement, it is terminated with the semicolon. Okay. So the semicolon is used in a Java program as a statement terminator. It indicates the end of a statement. Okay. So double SI equal to P asterisk R asterisk T by 100 semicolon system out println semicolon. So it is the statement terminator. Whenever it is used, it means the end of a statement. The next tokens are separators. See, separators are the special characters in Java. Separators are special characters in Java which are used to separate the variables or the characters. It is used to separate the variables also or characters also. These are comma, brackets, curly brackets, square brackets. So first see comma. What is the use of comma? Comma in a Java program is used to separate multiple variables under the same declaration. Suppose if you have more than one variable like n1, n2, n3, how many variables are there? 3 variables. So data type is what? Int. So instead of declaring them separately like int n1, int n2, int n3, we can do in one line separating with the comma. Second, brackets. Brackets are used to enclose any arithmetical or relational expression. So when you do the mathematical calculation, so brackets are used. Okay. For that only brackets are used. For the arithmetical expression also and for the relational expression also. Curly brackets. Curly brackets are used to enclose a group of statements under a compound statements. See, like after public static void main line, we have open curly bracket and at last closing curly bracket. So it is called when a group of statements are enclosed within a pair of curly bracket, and it is called compound statement or block. What it is called? It is called compound statement or block. Okay. Last one, a square bracket. It is used in the array. The array will be studying in class 10. So it is a non-primitive data type. So square brackets are used to enclose subscript or the cell number of a dimensional array. So these were the separators. Now operators. Operators are the symbols or tokens that perform arithmetical or logical expressions. They perform arithmetical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, remainder, or logical operations like AND or NOT. Basically, there are 3 types of operators used by Java. Which all? Arithmetical operators. There are 5: plus, minus, asterisk, slash, and percent for modulus, which finds the remainder. Relational operators, greater than, less than, equal to, this is double equal to, compares to value. Greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and this is called not equal to. And there are 3 logical operators, and or not. The last token, keywords. Or do you know what is keywords? Keywords are the reserved words which are preserved by the system and carry some special meaning for the system compiler. And you cannot use these keywords as a class name or function name or variable name. As a class name, function name, or variable name, these keywords cannot be used. So in today's class, what we have discussed? We have discussed the different types of tokens and their definition. So please learn all these terms. Thank you.